Hello guys, welcome back to omogevblogtv. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. On my last video, I talked on, as you can see here, how to make money online just on a single message. But today, the story is different. We have different strategies online you can make money. I will talk today on how to make money just by listening music online. You know, sometimes we are good with listening music, but we don't actually really gain anything from that. But today, it is possible to make money online by just listening to music. So let's check out this. Welcome back guys. Go to Play Store. As you can see me, download current as you see it's installing. Current catch. It's installing. Now open the app. Skip. Okay, here you will see play music, get paid. Email, social media. You put your email address here, password, you take create, send confirmation to email. You confirm your email address to prove that you are the one. Welcome back guys. After you have put your email address, you have to confirm that you are the owner of the email. They are asking me select all images with mountains or hills. Here, mountains or hills. This is one. I think we have just select mountains or hills. We have 1, 2, 3. Verify. Still not okay. Confirm. Your email address has been verified. Okay, now looking here, you will see this is the app. Earn point faster by completing tasks like sharing your opinion, viewing videos, and referring your friends. You know, with this app, when you refer this app to somebody, you earn points, and those points can be converted to money or gift. For example, we have tax and offers, share your opinions, daily usage bonus, quick earn videos, and that. For example, if I take up quick earn videos, you will see loading. So on this app, they give you tasks where you have to complete the tasks, and after completing the tasks, you earn points, and those points will be converted. This is tax. This is one of my tasks I'm doing. As you can see, I'm watching and I'll be paid for watching this. These are my points. You have earned 15 points. Congratulations for just watching these points. So this is how the app operates. So we have here, I have 55.00 points. I just started now, and you have seen. So for example, redeem and earn faster. Phone number, name, you earn 10 points. So these are how you can do to earn money on this app. You can play music, you listen to music, they paid you for that. For example, if you choose like a tag, we have slide deals, mega offers, and up to 20,000 points. For example, I will take mega offers. With mega offers, you can go and download the game. As you are playing the game, they are paying you for as you win one session, they paid you for that. See, you can take up also surveys on this app, like surveys, that is $505. Neither Hub Alliance $293. Surveys $432. Research on mobile survey $216. Your surveys $415. War Machine Tank Battle $1,026. King of App, so and so forth. Like this is just something easy, $87. So with all this, you realize if you can do all these games, surveys, you earn money. Try this out and drop your comment. So you can put that each day you have to do something on this app. For example, your birth. Let me put 1990. This is 1993. Submit. Confirmed. $10 points. 600, and I have 65.0 points. I will take slide deals because we are done with mega deals. I will choose slide deals. It's loading. Okay, complete any offer to earn points. Take a survey and free reward. Complete a quick survey and this amount of War Machine Tank Battle and 804 points. So here you see that there are actually games like this is card. There are games you can play online. Those points you are earning, you earn money for that. So That is all about slide views. Let's go to another option on the app. I'm trying to explain so that when you download the app, you will be able to get all the details from this video. Let's talk about the app and what it has here. We have earn, redeem, music, library, invite and earn. So these are the 5 points where you can earn money from current. Let's go with music. You choose the type of music you want to listen. For example, if yours is not here, you can skip. Let me skip. Trading, like these are the trading musics. You choose any type you want. R&B, rock and roll, relax and chill.